If you use Google Chrome every day, you might be wasting hours without realizing it. These AI Chrome extensions can help you work faster, stay organized, and save time every single day. Here are 5 extensions that are absolutely worth installing. Let's jump into the first one. The first extension is Merlin AI. Imagine reading a long article and getting the important points in just a few seconds. Instead of copying everything into ChatGPT, Merlin works right inside your browser. That means you can summarize web pages, ask questions, and keep working without breaking your focus. Next is Sidebar AI. Have you ever switched between 5 different tabs just to get one answer? Sidebar brings powerful AI directly into your browser, so you can chat, summarize, translate, and write without leaving the page you're on. It's one of the easiest ways to speed up your daily workflow. Grammarly has become much smarter with AI. It doesn't just fix spelling anymore. It helps rewrite sentences, improve clarity, and adjust your tone. Whether you're writing an email, a report, or even a social media post, it feels like having an editor working beside you. If you spend a lot of time searching online, you'll love this one. Perplexity gives you direct answers with reliable sources, instead of making you open dozens of different websites. It's faster, cleaner, and makes research much less frustrating. Finally, there's ChatGPT Sidebar. It keeps ChatGPT just one click away while you're browsing. You can explain difficult topics, summarize pages, generate ideas, or improve your writing without interrupting what you're doing. It's a simple extension, but it can save a surprising amount of time every week. Here's one more tip before you go. Don't install every extension you find. Pick the 2 or 3 you'll actually use every day. Learning a few great tools is much more powerful than collecting dozens you'll never open. Small changes like these can save you hours over time. If you enjoy practical AI tips like this, you're in the right place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.